ASMR. In tonight's video, we're going to drift gently and quietly into the world of meteorology. So, you might be wondering, what is a meteorologist? Well, let me tell you, a meteorologist is someone who studies the atmosphere, the invisible ocean, the air that surrounds us every moment. They observe the sky, the clouds, the movement, and the weather. So, we're not in a rush, we're never in a rush. We're just watching, listening, and noticing. So, did you know that the air around you has weight, like a soft, invisible blanket? Meteorologists study temperature, the subtle differences between warm and cool, because even the smallest change can shape the day. A shift of just a few degrees can decide between sunshine or rain. They also study humidity, the amount of water floating invisibly in the air. Tiny droplets so small you can't see them until they gather and become clouds. So clouds are collections of tiny, tiny droplets or ice crystals floating high above us. Some look like soft cotton and others stretch like long brush strokes through the sky. Did you know that some clouds can weigh over 1 million kilograms, and yet they float, held up by the movement of warm air rising? They measure its speed, its direction. Meteorologists watch the wind. They measure its speed, its direction. Meteorologists notice how the wind shifts, because wind in the atmosphere is motion, moving from place to place. Some of the tools we use as meteorologists include thermometers, barometers, satellites, machines quietly collecting information from the ground, and far above orbiting the Earth. Did you know there are satellites right now watching the clouds, tracking storms from space, silently circling the planet day and night? Meteorologists take all this data and begin to see patterns. Patterns in the air, patterns in pressure, patterns that repeat and change. This is how we forecast, how we gently predict what might happen next. Not with certainty, but with understanding. never the same. Just like snowflakes, each one forms, shifts, and fades in its own way. Some meteorologists study storms, powerful systems of wind and rain. They observe hurricanes, thunderstorms, and swirling patterns, trying to understand the behavior so others can stay safe. Did you know lightning can heat the air to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun? Just for a moment, a sudden flash of energy, then gone. Other meteorologists study climate, the long, slow patterns over the years, how temperatures shift over time, how seasons change. Did you know that the Earth's atmosphere is mostly made out of nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen makes up 21%, and the rest is a mix of gases, all working together to support life on Earth. Rain begins as tiny droplets gathering inside clouds, growing heavier until finally they fall softly back to Earth. Did you know that there is a smell that comes after rain and it has a name? It's called petrichor, a gentle scent released from the ground when water touches dry soil. So let me begin to tell you a bit more about meteorologists and what we do. So, as a meteorologist, I help the general public prepare for rainy days, storms, sunny mornings, and changing seasons. Without us, no one would know the weather. It would be unpredictable. So, we help people know whether to take an umbrella, whether to pack a jacket for a trip. It's all a part of the job, helping people feel ready for the week, to know what to expect with the weather. We are quiet observers of something everyone on Earth shares, which is the sky. Did you know, at this very moment, there are thousands of thunderstorms happening across Earth? Somewhere, rain is falling, lightning is flashing, clouds are forming, and yet here, right now, you're safe, calm, just relaxed, listening to me tell you about meteorology and what we do. Us meteorologists, we remind everyone that the world is always moving, always changing. Even when it feels still, the wind will shift will shine when it pleases. And tomorrow we repeat, but the sky will continue to be different. Different cloud patterns, different rain, everything changes. So, as you rest, imagine a quiet observer watching the sky, taking notes, tracking clouds, understanding the rhythm of the atmosphere. And now you do understand just a little bit more about what goes on in our atmosphere. Now you know, a meteorologist is not just someone who forecasts and predicts the weather. They are someone who listens to the sky and the atmosphere. They help us understand what's to come. They're helping us understand the unknown. They're not just a weather forecast person. They understand patterns and pressure in the sky. And now you can rest. You can be calm. The calm before the storm. The calm in the air before dawn. Just relax and let the soft, gentle rain sounds put you to sleep as you dream of sunny weather, ice cream by the beach. Dream good dreams of holidays abroad with weather so unpredictable, thunderstorms, heat waves, weather so unpredictable, even the meteorologists are baffled. Think happy dreams, happy thoughts of ice cream with a flake